Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you guys are doing well. Today it is a beautiful sunny day. We've been getting so much rain, so now that it is sunny, I wanted to come out here and film with some natural light and just enjoy the beautiful sunlight. After this, I'm totally going to sit outside and just soak it all in, but I actually wanted to film a video first sharing my FabFitFun box for summer 2021. I did get it in the mail the other day, so I've been testing out the products. I actually chose a lot of fun beauty products for my box. So I wanted to come on camera, let you guys know what I thought about them, share how I've been using them. And I do want to say thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. FabFitFun is something I look forward to every single season. It is a seasonal subscription box that comes with full-size products. So you can get beauty products, lifestyle, home decor, fitness. What's really nice is you can actually customize your box and choose the products that come in it. If you are an annual subscriber, you get to customize the entire box. And if you're a seasonal member, you get to customize quite a few choices as well. So you can choose what you want, which I think makes it a little bit more exciting than other options out there. And that's why I chose a lot of beauty products this time around. There were just a lot of appealing options. So I'll show you guys what I got in a second, but it is available in the US, the UK, and Canada. I've discovered so many products that I love through FabFitFun. The value is amazing. A lot of the time you'll get a product in the box that's worth more than the entire cost of the box. It makes such a great gift. My sisters and I actually got one for my mom for Mother's Day. This video is going up after Mother's Day, so I can mention that in the video, but I know she'll love it. I love the fact that they support female entrepreneurs and feature a lot of female-founded businesses, which is amazing. FabFitFun's charity partner this season is Make-A-Wish. Make-A-Wish is an amazing organization that actually exists to grant wishes to children with critical illnesses. And if you use my coupon code Andrea, not only will you save money on your first box, but FabFitFun will also donate $10 to Make-A-Wish for every box that is sold with my coupon code. So if you guys are thinking about signing up, please make sure to use my code. It's not an affiliate code. I don't get a commission, but they will be donating money to Make-A-Wish with that code, which is amazing. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let's jump into it and I'll show you what I got in my box this season. So the first thing I chose for my box is the Ciate 6 outdoor blanket. This is something that I actually needed. I've been meaning to purchase one of these for years because I would use it so much. So I was excited to see it in the box. I love the design. I love the colors. I'll include a clip of it actually spread out so you can see what it looks like, but I love the fact that it rolls up and it's really small and compact because it's just easy to transport. There's also a handle, which is just convenient. During the summer, my sisters and I and our husbands and my nieces, we love to go to the baseball games, and there's like this really large grassy area where you can spread out a blanket and sit. You can bring your dog, and that's what we love to do like almost every week, every other week. My husband and I also go to the park for dinner at least like 2 or 3 times a week. So this will definitely come in handy. I'm sure I'll get a lot of use out of it. I was kind of going back and forth between this or the beach tote, but I don't go to the beach very often, so I figured I would get more use out of this, and I just love the design. There were so many good beauty products available this season. Like usually there are some great ones to choose from, but there were just so many, so I kind of chose the majority of them for my box, including this one. This one is the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost, and it is an amazing moisturizer, especially for oily skin during the summertime, and I also love using this product before I apply makeup because I feel like it preps my skin so well for makeup. If I'm reaching for a really heavy cream moisturizer, sometimes it can just be a little bit too much for my oily skin. So I love the fact that this one is a gel. It just feels very nice on the skin, very refreshing, and it sinks in really quickly, but it's not overly hydrating. I've been using this for a few days and I feel like it leaves my skin looking so glowy and refreshed and hydrated, but not oily at all. It does have a little bit of a sticky texture, but in a good way. It's almost like you apply a gripping primer before you go in with your makeup, so your makeup will just stay in place all day long. But again, it's really, really moisturizing. It's such a good option for summertime. So if you still have the chance to customize your box, I would recommend picking this up. I think you'll enjoy it a lot. It has been my go-to, and I'm so glad I finally tried it. Speaking of glowy products, I did choose this one as well. It is the Ciate London Watermelon Burst Setting Spray. So I kind of go through phases where I love setting sprays and then I don't use them as often, but sometimes I'll use setting sprays as priming sprays instead, and I think that's why I decided to go with this one. I thought it would make such a great option before I actually went in with makeup. Also, it does smell like watermelon, and I've told you guys for some reason I am into all things watermelon scented this year. If it has a watermelon scent, I want it. Whether it's a lip balm or a body lotion or a setting spray, it doesn't matter. So this does smell really good. It's not overpowering. It's just a very light, gentle scent, and it's really refreshing on the skin. I actually used this today before I went in with makeup, and I feel like it just gives my skin a little bit more of like a naturally glowy look. You can also use it after makeup to set your face. It's going to give you more of a hydrated, glowy look, which I know is something that a lot of people love. So I will definitely get a good amount of use out of this. I think that it is the perfect summertime product. So the next product I got is something that I am excited about. I've actually been wanting to try this brand for a while. I've mentioned that in a few videos. This is from the brand Mented, and Mented is a Black-owned, woman-owned beauty brand. The reason why they created their products, I think they specifically started out with lip products, is because they found that a lot of products weren't pigmented enough. So they wanted to fill that need in the market. So their name Mented is kind of a play on the word pigmented. So FabFitFun actually offered their liquid lipsticks as an option this season, and I decided to grab this one. This one is blood orange. I really like this color. When I first saw it in the packaging, I wasn't sure if it was going to look great on me. It's a little bit darker on the lips than it is in the bottle, but it's a really pretty red with like a little bit of an orange undertone. It really is a gorgeous color. It's a very smooth, lightweight formula. I do wear liquid lipsticks. I know some people are kind of over liquid lipsticks, but typically when I am wearing a darker lip color, I reach for a liquid lipstick because it's going to stay in place well, and I'm not going to have to worry about it kind of smearing and smudging all over the place. So the reason why I like this one is because it is lightweight. It's very smooth. It's not uncomfortable on the lips at all, and it's just a really pretty color. So I'm excited I got the chance to try out the brand. If you guys have any other recommendations from the brand Mented, please let me know because I am curious to see what else they offer. I also got a lip product from the brand Seraphine Botanicals. This is their fruit butter lip mask. This smells so good and I can't place it. So if you guys get this product and you smell it, please let me know what it reminds you of. So this is a really comfortable overnight mask. You can also use it during the day. I typically apply it in the morning when I'm getting ready. So by the time I put lipstick on, my lips are really hydrated and ready to go. The reason why I like this product is because it's not overly heavy or sticky. Sometimes when I use an overnight lip mask, it's so intense and I just don't like the feel of it on my lips, so I won't reach for it regularly. Obviously, some of them are a little bit heavier, so they last all night long, but this one is a little bit softer, a little bit more gentle, so you can use it during the day as well without feeling like you have a really sticky, heavy product on your lips. It feels really good. It smells really good. This product is vegan, and like they said, you can use it at night or during the day as well. So I'm glad they gave this because honestly, I could always use another lip balm in my collection. I chose a hair product that I'm excited to try. This one is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo, but I actually got a Living Proof product in a previous box. It's like this texturizing volume spray that I use all the time. I used it today. Whenever I curl my hair, I typically do use that just because my roots tend to fall flat. So when I put that in, it gives them a little bit more volume, but a lot of volume throughout here. Also, that product smells amazing. So when I saw they were offering a dry shampoo by Living Proof, I wanted to pick it up and try it out. It's been a while since I've tried a new dry shampoo, so I'm curious about this one and I will definitely keep you guys posted. And then I just have two little kitchen accessories to share with you guys. So this one's from the brand Blush. It's the pineapple shaped ice mold. So I thought of like the perfect way to use this product for me. I drink iced coffee. I usually just make it at home, but I noticed that now that it's a little bit warmer out, my ice melts so fast. And I don't drink my iced coffee very fast, so before I know it, I have like very watered down iced coffee, which just doesn't taste as good. So what I'm going to do is actually fill this with iced coffee and then pop it in the freezer, and I'll have little coffee ice cubes. I've been meaning to do that for a while, but during the winter time, the ice doesn't really melt that fast, and I don't have an actual ice cube tray in my house. It's like one of those things I've been meaning to get that I just haven't purchased. So this will be perfect. I know people who have or who do green smoothies will sometimes freeze their milk in these so they don't have to add a lot of ice or water and again water it down, or you can just do regular ice if that's something you want to do as well, but I'm definitely going to use this for sure. And the last little accessory is from the brand AR Cook. It is a little citrus squeezer. So this will come in handy if you like to make fun summery drinks, if you like to make fresh squeezed orange juice, if you like to do a lot of cooking. I don't do a lot of cooking unless it's HelloFresh. I won't really cook voluntarily very much, but my husband does, and he loves fresh squeezed orange juice, so I'm sure this will come in handy, especially for him. So that is everything I got inside my FabFitFun box. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, you can use my coupon code Andrea to save some money on your first box, and $10 of your box will go to the Make-A-Wish Foundation as well, which is amazing. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys got in your box. I would love to hear from you, and I'll see you guys very soon with a new video. Bye.